Hello, and thanks for joining me. So I get asked a lot about prepositions in the English language and how to use them. And in fact, there are about 150 prepositions in the English language, and they are of course of different sorts and types, and they are used for different purposes and in different contexts. But we are going to focus on the three most commonly used prepositions in the English language, which are in, on, and at. Now, these three prepositions can sometimes be confusing and difficult to understand and difficult to learn for the learners of the English language. But I'm going to try to keep things simple and basic by doing one video about one preposition at a time. So in this first video, we are going to start with on. The preposition on can be used to talk about time, place, and transportation. And we are going to begin with time. It's simple. On is used for days. We say on Monday, on Saturday, on Friday, on Wednesday, etc. In fact, you can use on with any word that has the word day in it. So that you can say on my birthday, on Independence Day, on the holiday. In fact, any word that has the word day in it. Now, there are a few exceptions, of course, but this works 80% of the time. Second, for place and location, on is used with an area that has a surface. That is, we say on the table, on the wall, on the screen, etc. Third, for transportation, on is used for large vehicles or large ways and means of transportation. So that we say on the bus, on the plane, on the train. So you see, all these vehicles, all these means of transportation are, of course, very large. But there is one other thing that you should note about them, is that you don't own them. You share them with other people. So because you share them with other people, you must say on. We will see that this is going to be different with in. So that's it for the preposition on. We are going to meet in the next video, in which we are going to discuss the preposition at. So stay tuned and see you next time.